Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find and using royalty free music and sound effect for your video. So it's royalty free means you don't need to pay for this video in today and the future. The main problem with this type of music that if you download and use this, you have no problem right now. But after several months, even years, you get a copyright claim strike on your video on your channel. So that is very big problem for a content creator. So I'm going to show you the 4 best website to download copyright free music and effect for your video. So guys, without wasting a time, let's start this video. I'm going to open my browser. The first one is YouTube audio library. This is the best audio library and the audio platform, I think, because you don't need to give any credit and you don't have any kind of tension to get a copyright claim in your video. So I'm going to open this. Here any of kind of music. Or you can find any sound effect. You can also search this sound effect for your audio. So I'm going to play some of this. So that's where you can find your sound effect and music. So I'm going to close this one, and the next one is Pixabay Music. It's also the second best, I think, because so Pixabay are already free website to download your any kind of video, royalty free video. So in Pixabay Music, you can download this free for personal commercial use, no attribute required. So you don't need to give a attribute in this website. So I'm going to open this, and here you can find any type of sound. So you can simply download this from here and you can use this in your video. You don't need to give any attribute, you just directly download this from here. So I'm going to close this website, move on to the third website. It's called freesound.org. So you can see many type of sound effect and sound in here. That is a huge library, but you need to check license per file. Some require credits, so if you download, then you may give some credit. So I'm going to open this. So we need to log in to download this. So I'm going to log in with my Google account. We successfully created an account. Now we're going to go to our home page again, and here you can select any of music, and this time you can download sound from here. Now you can see you need to get attribute if you want to use this commercially in your video. Now I'm going to download this sound. and get attribute text. You need to copy this text and paste it in your video description, or you can simply copy this text from here. Now I'm going to close this website also. Now go to the last one, the incompetech.com. Go to this website. Now click on here, royalty free music. So you can see you can download this music, but you need to give credit for this music. The credit is here, you can see this in here. And this mp3 and this audio, you also need to give attribute to your video description. So guys, that's how we can easily download and use music and music effect on your video. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.